In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course in Kajabi with our complete guide. Let's jump right in and get started by logging into your Kajabi account. Head over to kajabi.com and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the Products section. This is where the magic begins. Now let's move on to creating your new product. In the Products section, click on the plus New Product button. You'll be presented with several options, and for this video, we're creating a course, which Kajabi refers to as a digital product. Choose course from the options provided. You'll then need to enter your course title, along with a brief description that outlines what the course is about and what value it offers. After entering these details, go ahead and click Continue. With the basics set up, it's time to structure your course. Kajabi automatically sets up a structure using categories and posts, which you can think of as modules or chapters, and the individual lessons, respectively. Start by adding categories to organize your content. For example, you might have an introduction category followed by Module 1, Module 2, and so forth. Inside each of these categories, you'll add posts to deliver your lessons. For instance, within Introduction, you might add a welcome video and then move on to Lesson 1.1 and Lesson 1.2 under Module 1. Uploading your content is our next focus. For each post, you're going to add the main teaching materials. You can upload video files directly from your computer or embed them from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. If you have audio materials, such as podcast-style recordings, you can include those as well, ensuring they are downloadable if you wish your audience to listen offline. Additionally, upload any supporting documents like PDFs, slides, or worksheets as downloadable content for your students. Don't forget to add text for each lesson, perhaps summarizing key points or providing important instructions. Once you've structured your course content, head over to the Customize tab. Here, you can select a theme or layout that suits your style, maybe something like Premiere or Momentum. Personalize the look and feel by adjusting colors, fonts, and the layout of your lesson pages to match your brand identity. Now let's set your course pricing. Move to the Offers section in Kajabi, where you'll create a new offer attaching your course to this package. You have several pricing models to choose from, including a one-time payment, subscription, either monthly or yearly, or even a payment plan. Set up your preferred pricing structure and make sure to connect your account to either Stripe or PayPal to handle payments seamlessly. Finally, it's time to publish your course. Once you're satisfied with your course structure, content, and pricing, hit that all-important Publish button. Share your sales page link or embed the checkout link on your website to make it easy for potential students to join. And with that, your students will have automatic access to your Kajabi course portal upon purchase. And that wraps up our complete guide on how to add a course in Kajabi.